Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove a device from Hulu account, access control step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a trusted device like your personal computer or phone. Go to hulu.com and make sure the website address is correct before signing in. Click login and enter your Hulu email and password. If Hulu asks for a verification code, complete the verification to access your account. After you are logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account from the menu to open your account settings page. Scroll until you find the section called Privacy and Settings or similar account options. Look for a setting labeled Manage Devices, or Watch History and Device Management. If you do not see it on desktop, try opening the account page in another browser or in desktop mode on mobile. In the Devices area, review the list of devices connected to your Hulu account. Match each device by name, model, or last active date so you remove the correct one. If you recognize an unfamiliar device, plan to remove it immediately. Click Remove, Log Out, or X next to the device you want to disconnect. Confirm the action if Hulu asks you to approve removing that device. If Hulu does not allow individual removal, return to the account page and find Log Out of all devices. Select Log Out of all devices to remove access from every device at the same time. Confirm the global logout and wait a moment for Hulu to process the change. After logging out all devices, sign in again on your own device to continue safely. Go back to account and open the Change Password option. Create a strong new password that you do not use on any other website. Save the new password and make sure it updates successfully. Next, check your email for any Hulu security alerts or sign-in notifications. If you share your account, tell trusted household members that they must sign in again. Return to Manage Profiles and confirm only your real profiles exist. Remove any unknown profiles if your plan settings allow it. Check your billing information to ensure there are no unexpected changes. Enable any available security features like verification prompts when Hulu offers them. Finally, test by opening Hulu on the removed device and confirm it can no longer play without signing in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.